And I wanted to explain first to you what this is right here. This is called an inline filter. And that's really important because what you're working with here is a recirculating watering system. And the great thing about that is you're not leaching out any nutrients that are so important for the seedlings and really what the roots love. You're not going to be wasting of that. It's a great sustainable way to farm. And you're also not wasting water. But what can happen is some of the debris can get into the water and it can get, and that's why you've got a filter, because you want to constantly be filtering out that debris. And because you don't want to clog your emitters. So what you need to do from time to time, if you notice the flow is not coming through as evenly as regularly, is you literally are going to just unscrew your inline filter like so, and you'll see in here there is a white filter, and you pull that out and you actually just rinse that under the sink. Helps sometimes to use a little brush to clean it out, and then you just pop it back in and screw it back together. So that's a really important piece. So